CSB, the ice princess froze up when she met me.
What's up, dudes? I just got off work. See, I got a tune coming Monday for the Jetta, so I wanted to button up some shit today. I'm gonna install the short throw shifter, weld in the fitting for the PCV exhaust dump on the test pipe, both vacuum lines, and cooling line. I gotta make a 1-inch plug. Oh, it's April 18th, almost 2 o'clock. Oh, shit. I got you. Whoa! 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 Woo! Once. Whoa! Nice spin. Woo! The headlights sag down. But anyway, this pipe has to get cut a little bit, so it's a little shorter. This pipe has to get cut so it tucks in a little bit more. I gotta get this fucking thing done though, because the tune comes Monday. I'm so lazy. Alright, so pulled the test pipe out. O2 sensors, got access to the heat shield. Now I'm ready to pull the shift box down. Pulled the center console out, and the shift handle out. I don't know how they're gonna have to loosen those two, I assume. And those two screws from the bottom, it'll fall out. I'll be able to split it in half. I had to take that pin out. Yeah, the whole column, whole shifter has to come out. As they said online, I'm glad I got this far and discovered that instead of trying to half-ass it. Okay, so that's gonna be a 13 from the top and the bottom. We'll just go from there, fuck it. So guys, that's exactly why I made that exhaust the way I did, so I have access to do this damn short throw shifter install. Installed. Now I understand what's going on here. This is supposed to go on like that, and this little stopper, that's supposed to prevent me from going into reverse, but it's not going to fit with the stock shift knob. Actually, maybe it will. It's going to be so high. The throw is definitely way shorter. I just don't want the shift knob to be 30 feet high. So I think we're just gonna leave the safety piece of shit out. Just jam this bitch back on. We're still pretty fucking high. Yo, okay, check this out. We got our little PCV scavenging pipe thingy. If you look in the pipe, maybe not, you can't see it. There's a little cut in there, and that's going to pull positive crank pressure out. hopefully, in theory, anyways. So anyways, I bought 2 fuel fittings on accident. I needed just normal hose fittings, so until I get the right fitting, we're just gonna cap it with this. Alright, I'm gonna put the exhaust back in, bolt everything up, and move on to the cooling system. Whew. Alright, drained the 2 quarts of oil out of this thing that I overfilled. We got the polyurethane dog bone bushings in. My AN10 oil drain fitting, which I might actually flip so the 45 comes out the other side, but I was also thinking that it kind of buys me some space in here, so I don't know. Got my V-band test pipe, my O2 sensor for the O2 sensor for the wideband sensor. There's the O2 sensor for the engine ECU, and there's my plug for my PCV Scavenger. Plenty of room to access it too. Hell yeah. Then I'll have to get a sleeve clamp for this. Blocked off the radiator, the auxiliary radiator, the aux rad line, whatever. I'm gonna have to cut these charge pipes down a little bit more, tuck them in, and then we gotta figure out how to get the bumper to fit right. Yeah, pretty much done. I mean, shit. Need that ECU, need to block, need to run some vacuum line. Maybe we'll go buy some vacuum line. Oh no, I've broken it. So I got a lot of progress done on the Jetta today. Let's see, I drained out the extra 2 quarts in the oil pan because I overfilled it. I trimmed a couple of the charge pipes for the intercooler. That way the bumper fits a lot better, but I still got to kind of shimmy shit, just kind of get it so the headlights are a lot more straight because they're a little bit crooked. Since I cut out the bottom of the radiator support, it's a little bit flimsy, but I got the PCV Scavenger Kit welded onto the test pipe. And then I didn't have any fittings, so I ended up just plugging that thing for now. But eventually, or actually very soon, I'm gonna have to go get the right AN fittings from Summit and exchange the ones I bought last time because they were for fuel. Actually, I'm a dummy. The short shifter installed. However, now there's no like stopper. It doesn't stop me from going into reverse. So I just have to know where first is and not throw it in reverse, which is not a big deal because I've had a lot of Volkswagens now. And they all have the exact same shifters. Reverse is always right next to first. So I'm used to that. That won't be an issue at all. I got the test pipe bolted back in. Got all my O2 sensors back on. Anyways, thanks for coming with and checking out shit with me and watching the videos, I guess. Peace out, guys. Later.